Hello, my name is Andrew Marshall. I'm the sales manager for USA and Canada for BrawoSystems. I'm here today to talk to you about the BRAWO PICO SX, our nominee for the Abbott Award in 2025. The BRAWO PICO SX is a unique system. It's the first standalone system for small diameter pipe, so 2 to 4 inch, in the CIPP market. Its target is the in-building and in-apartment, as well as small diameters, so under slab or going from the house to the street. It's got an 82 feet long combination hose, which is 25 meters. In that combination hose, it's got integrated power as well as compressed air, which keeps the LEDs not only powered, but cooled during the installation process. It's got an automatic retraction unit that's controlled by a touchscreen control box. That control box allows you to pick the liner type, the pipe diameter, which then calculates what the retraction speed for the LED head is, so that way you can be sure of a complete cure. The system is also the only one who has an NRTL certified for the North American market. This means it passes all OSHA safety requirements, so you know if OSHA were to come and check out your job site, you know that your equipment passes that test. The system is smart, efficient, and small. The smart comes particularly from that LED head. So inside that LED head, it logs all parameters around each installation. So pressure, temperature, which allows you to keep track for each job in that log. You can then access it either through the USB stick that's attached to the control box or through the Wi-Fi using a QR code. That head also keeps track of operating hours. So for maintenance and for repair, you know exactly how long that head has been running. That hose, if it does need to be changed, the head is built into the hose and it's a changeable hose, so you basically pull the entire hose out, detach it from the reel, and you can basically plug a new one right back on there, and the system recognizes that you've changed both the hose and the LED head. So it starts that operating hours tracking over again. The system is also extremely efficient. So it's 20 LEDs on that head, which run off a low power. So you can plug it into any 3-pronged US outlet or Canadian outlet, and the system runs. So you're not lugging around extra power supplies or compressors that need tons of space, especially when you're working in small rooms or small spaces for that LED that the LED system is designed for. It also has one access point only required. So the LED head is actually pulled into place during the CIPP installation, so during the liner installation. So it allows you to avoid doing things like putting second holes in walls or digging second trenches, which not only makes the homeowner happy, but saves time and energy and cost for the operator. The system is also quite small. So not only does it cure very quickly, between 0.3 feet, which is 4 inch with calibration hose, the system calculates based on calibration hose, to 6.5 feet per minute. It has extremely good flexibility. It'll do a 90-degree bend in 2 inch. So if you have a system, an area where you're working that has multiple 90-degree bends in 2 inch, this is a system that can handle that. It's also only about 55 pounds, which allows you to let one person to carry it into a room, up and down stairs, to get into tight spaces, so that way you're able to work in those small diameters that typically start in those small areas. So to recap, the BRAWO PICO SX is designed to work in 2 inch to 4 inch pipe. The range on the hose is 82 feet, which is 25 meters. The retraction speed is 0.3 to 6.5 feet per minute. The head diameter is a small 24 millimeters, which allows you to go around those 90-degree bends in 2 inch. The system altogether weighs about 55 pounds and is about 17 by 17 by 24. So again, very small, fits through any doorway, no issues there. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions or need any further information, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help.